Now we're going to the fifth tab, table functions, and in this exercise, the first one, we have here the data of 50 students. Okay, and just for cosmetic reason, I'm going to format the data so that it's easier for us to see. Okay, selecting all the data, go to the border and draw in the lines. Next, I'm going to select the header and make it bold and just offer some shading, 15%. Okay, so that becomes easier to see. Okay, so what this exercise 1 is asking us to do is to fill in the semester 1 score and as a percentage. Okay, so semester 1, the students will have to take a CA1 worth 30%, CA2 worth 30%, and CA3 worth 40%. Okay, the weightage is given in this orange box here. Okay, the CA1 and CA2 happen to be upon 30 and CA3 is upon 60. Okay, but the weightage is actually found here. Okay, so what we're looking at is 30% CA1, 30% CA2, and 40% CA3. Okay, so it's going to be a rather long formula. I'm going to start here. Alright, and it's a mathematical function, a long drawn compound one. We start with the equal. Okay, so I will do 30% of CA1, 30% of CA2, and 40% of CA3. Okay, so I'm going to start with 30% multiply by, and we're going to do the CA1 score. Don't put 18. Okay, it's actually 18 upon 30. Okay, and so we have to use some bracketing here to keep the fractions in the correct order. 30% of CA1, which is the first guy, Araron, he got 18 upon 30. We're not going to type 18/30. Okay, please don't do that. What we're going to do is click the box containing the first guy's score. Okay, that is D11. Okay, and D11, the denominator, CA1 is upon 30. Okay, so 30% multiplied by Araron's CA1 score upon 30. Okay, that's the first component. It's not done yet. This is just CA1. Okay, plus we're going to do the CA2 now. 30% multiplied by open bracket, and we're going to get Araron's CA2 score, which is this box E11. This one E11. CA2 is upon 30. I'm just typing /30. Okay, and then lastly, plus we're going to do the third one, which is CA3, 40%. Plus 40% multiplied by open bracket, and then we click his CA3 score, this one, upon 60. Okay, and then once you're done, check everything, then hit enter. Okay, and you get 0.68333. By the way, they want you to compute a percentage. Okay, 100% is 1, 50% is 0.5. So 0.68 would be 68% something. To change the display, you can either hit the percentage sign here. Okay, but let's say we want 2 decimal places. I'm going to open up 2 decimal places over here. Okay, so expressing as a percentage display and to 2 decimal places. Okay, and just to check, okay, yeah, just to check, double click, just to repeat again. So 30% CA1 score upon 30 plus 30% the red one CA2 score upon 30, and lastly the purple one plus 40% CA3 score upon 60. Okay, that is done for the first guy, and we've got 50 of them. You don't have to keep typing again. What you do is you get the first formula that's done. It's correct here. Mouse over the bottom right, and we're going to drag it down or double click down, and you will get all the scores. Alright, so that is how you do a large computation, just to check. Okay, just for check, let's check the student number 10, Fiaraf. Okay, Fiaraf. Okay, so just to check that you are indeed calculating student number 10's marks. Okay, 30% of this box plus 30% of the red box plus 40% of the purple box. Okay, so just do a random check just to assure yourself. Okay, the last person is methane. Double click, and yes, you got methane score there. So everything is done. So that is your S1 score, semester 1 grade for the particular module.